Hi there, Jakub here from Vue Storefront. In this MightyByte video, I will tell you a little bit more about Nuxt Security, which will make your Nuxt application more secure by default. Stay tuned for Nuxt Nation conference because I will be announcing something really cool about this module. Nuxt Security can be used without any configuration needed. To verify if it works, we can go to the browser and inspect the document to see those headers that are being added by the module. So we can see content security policy, cross-origin embedded policy, and many more. But Nuxt Security is not only about the headers, because it comes also with security middlewares that we can also customize like this. What will happen right now is that this rate limiter will be triggered after 3 requests. So if I try to spam many requests to the application, eventually I will get 4 to 9 error and too many requests response. To read more about all functionalities that Nuxt Security comes with, go to Nuxt Security documentation and inspect this security section here.